Oh, what's good, everybody? It's your boy, Sizzle. We're doing another room tour. We are in Denver, Colorado. Today we are at the Maven Hotel right here on Dairy Block, which I'm learning is like an area where people shop and dine, located centrally right here by the baseball stadium, football stadium, and basketball arena. First thing we're gonna do, walk in the door. I look at the bottom, I see the tile. I feel like that almost looks like Louis V print to me. Before I take you in the bathroom, please peep the barn door, farm door, whatever you want to call it, slide. Sheesh. In the bathroom, coming in here, first thing we do when we walk in is a huge ass soaking tub. It's like I typically don't like do that when I go to a hotel room, but because it's here, I just automatically want to jump in. Jordy, you jumping in?
Hell yeah.
She says hell yeah. Backsplash, I like it. It's like a black gray-esque color, kind of fire. Next to that, we have the shower. We've got the wood stool in there. Don't know if you can see that, so let me open up. Wood stool, shower head, soaps, all the good stuff. Here, we have the bathroom mirror. I like that. That looks like a P. Diddy music video with the lighting. Not even gonna front. Something I never see is a chair. My girl said a woman put this there, meaning like, that's where you sit and you do your makeup and all that. Like, I don't know how, like, you know, good that is, but y'all do. Cool, toilet there. Got something to let you know, get glad in the same undies you got mad in. Wow. Ouch here. The Louis V, with the Louis V print. We have a light here that looks like a, this looks like a, what is it? The little, I can see your future, crystal ball? Crystal ball lamp, yes, on, off, fire. Across from there is our king bed. Yes, sir. Right behind it is also like a desk. So if you're a businessman or whatever, you can sit here on your laptop, do what you gotta do while watching TV. It's decent. Not incredibly big, but bigger than most. That's what she said. Let's just take a second to appreciate the artwork. Check the pictures. The light fixture. Light fixture. Also, when you come in, they already have the robe laid out on the bed. But this isn't no average robe. It's got a hoodie on it. It's got a hoodie on it. They knew a black person was coming in here because we like hoodies. It's got a hoodie, robe, yes. Over here we got Jordy, she's sporting the little couch chair here. Peep the material. It's like leather-esque.
But plush.
But plush, she said. When we come to the corner of Jordy, this is what this is called, the corner of Jordy.
How about Jordan's corner?
Jordan's corner. She's taken this area, she's made it hers, planted her seeds. Yes. So in the corner of Jordan, there's this lamp here. It's nice. It's like a, you can twist it, turn it, smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Turn it on, bam, it's on, right? But that's level 1. You got level 2, down a notch. Level 3, down another notch. And level 4, it's off, wow. Right here, we have the balcony. This is actually gives you a little view of part of D Block, which is called Dairy Block, that's for short. But yeah, you come out here and there's a lot of dining and I think shopping down that alleyway. And then that's just the city of Denver. I like it, pretty snazzy. I made B-roll here to the lobby. In the lobby, there's like a lot of artsy stuff when you go on like the elevator, and when you come in, there's a bunch of cool looking stuff. So this is the Maven Hotel, Denver, Colorado. I'm out.